Welcome to Cooking Light with Ann. Hi, we're Cooking Light with Ann. We're doing roasted salmon with vinaigrette blueberry with roasted carrots. What we're going to do now is we're going to spray the cookie sheet and we're going to cut the salmon into serving sizes. This is beautiful coho salmon. Okay, now we're taking the last cut and save this for another time. In a light spray, and then pepper and salt and pepper. Now we're adding the salt. So we're almost there. We're at 325. We're gonna wait till 4. Roasted salmon with blueberry vinaigrette. A couple of pats of butter. Onions. Rosemary. Blueberries. Balsamic vinegar, sugar-free maple syrup. Little bit of water. And we're going to cook this down. Okay, once it comes up to a boil and simmers down just a little bit, this sauce is done. It's that simple. So now all we're doing is waiting for the salmon to get done. We have another 13 minutes to go. Okay, it's ready now. It's cooked to perfection. So we're just going to plate it. Take our vinaigrette. And that, my friends, is a wonderful dinner. Looks delicious. Till the next time with Cooking Light with Ann. Bye now. Bye now.